The Maps app enables us to access pre-saved hiking routes in national parks and also allows us to create our own custom hiking or walking routes. Let's start on the iPad. We have the many glacier area of Glacier National Park visible here in Maps. Notice that there are several trailheads marked. Tap on a trailhead for directions to it. But we also have some pre-saved hikes available from this trailhead. Tap on the Cracker Lake hike, and the map will zoom out to display that entire route. In the panel to the left, we can see the mileage of the hike, along with the elevation gain and loss. Below, we can again get directions to the trailhead or add this to our saved routes. Next, we can edit the name, add a note or description, and download the route to our device before saving it. Having it downloaded to the device will allow us to see all the map details even if we don't have a cellular connection available at the start of or during the hike. Tap the checkmark to save. That hike is now available in the Routes section under Places. Rather than just relying on preset hikes, we can also create our own custom routes and save those to our library as well. If we start from the Cracker Lake trailhead again, but know we want to hike to Upper Grinnell Lake, we can tap on the trailhead and create a custom route. Now we just need to tap periodically along the route we want to take. So I'll just tap to add a couple of points on the way to Upper Grinnell Lake. Notice we have an undo button here, so if a mistake is made, we can easily move back step by step. As points are added, the distance and elevation gain is displayed. For this hike, one way from the trailhead to the lake is 5.4 miles, with about 2,100 feet of elevation gain. With the double arrow button here, we can reverse the direction of the hike, which in this case would display the route starting from Upper Grinnell Lake and ending at the Cracker Lake trailhead. Next, we could make this an out-and-back hike, which means it will complete the route by going right back the way we came. Notice that the Cracker Lake trailhead is marked as the start and end of this route. Here we have the entire distance and elevation changes. Zoom in on the trail a bit, and we can see the double arrow letting us know we will be on this trail in both directions. If we'd rather not do just the out and back route, it's possible to go back a step or two and then continue adding points on the way back. So, we could continue the hike to go by Grinnell Lake, then up the valley a bit more, and then loop back down towards the Cracker Lake trailhead. Add a point near there, and then tap this Close Loop button to complete the route. Tap Save Route, and this custom route can be downloaded and saved in My Routes. This will sync over to my iPhone, and from the Routes collection under Places, it can be downloaded here as well. We don't need to be in a national park to create custom hiking routes like this. Here in Maps on my iPhone, there is a trailhead right here in my neighborhood that we can create a custom route from. Just tap to add points, and I could create a quick loop here. It's also possible to make a larger loop and include streets in the route. In fact, we don't need to begin at a designated trailhead. Tap and hold on the map to mark the location, then from the More button, we have the Custom Route option. We could then build a short walk around this neighborhood and save that as a custom route. So, this can be a really great feature for finding or creating your own hiking routes, or just mapping out a quick walking route around your neighborhood.